Let's get the Meross Air Purifier set up and working with our Google Home or the Google Assistant. This video does assume that you've already set the device up inside of the Meross app, and if you haven't, then watch for a link down below in the description or on screen right now. It'll get you set up in that base way, and then you can come back to this video by following the links there. We'll head into the Google Home application and go up to top left and then set up device. We'll choose the Works with Google program, and this has a massive list of companies and applications that you can connect. I've already connected Meross, but if you hadn't and you tap on it, it'll ask you to link your account and you just sign in with Meross. If you have connected already, then what you're going to do is hit the little microphone at the bottom and ask Google to sync my devices. You can do that with a smart speaker as well, but I'm just showing you that you can do it here. And then the air purifier should show up towards the bottom of the application. Now you're going to add it to a room, and this can pick from all the different rooms you have in the Google Home, and now it can be found in that room. So we've done the basic setup for the Google Home application, but we could go in and edit the name or change the home or the room that it's in, and we can turn it on or off. Change air purifier fan speed to high.
Sure, setting the air purifier speed to high.
From this point, we can now use our voice to turn it on or off, or to request high, medium, or low fan speeds. After that, we're probably going to want to use routines. So let's head into there. And I tried with the household routines to include the air purifier to turn it off whenever I left home and on whenever I returned home, but unfortunately that doesn't work. So we have to use basic routines, and when I go to create a new routine, there's a number of starters that I can pick from. It's voice commands, time, sunrise and sunset, and the ability to have things turn on when you dismiss an alarm. So there is no trigger with the Meross Air Purifier at this time. From an action standpoint, there's really only one section that makes sense here, which is to adjust home devices. And I went into this section, but again, the air purifier wasn't showing up here in order to turn it on or turn it off. So what you want to do is hit try adding your own. And here's where you're going to type the exact same command that you used either to turn on or off the air purifier or to change the fan speed, and then you can add your starter. So you can pick whether you want to do this by a voice command or at a certain time every day. For this one, I just ran the routine and then checked that it came on, but I could just say the wake words and then air purity, and it would turn on my air purifier. The last thing you could do is, if you have a scene in the Meross application that you've created, this is where you can ask Google to turn on that scene, but you can't ask Google to turn off a scene and have the device turn off. So I think the best use case for you here is what we've shown with the Google Home and Google Assistant system. If you want to get it set up and doing more, you can look at our playlist up on screen that shows you how to get it set up and working with other platforms. And you can see our review sitting here as well.